Just imagine this. You are standing outside on a clear night, looking up at the sky, and suddenly a question comes into your mind. What if a black hole entered our solar system? So in this video, let us answer that question. Watch till the end, because by the time this video is over, you will learn things about black holes that you may have never heard before. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more videos like this. So let us begin. The strange thing is that if a black hole came close to Earth, we might not even see it directly, because black holes do not glow, and their gravity is so strong that they can absorb light. In the outer region of our solar system, everything would start behaving differently, and the orbits of planets would become unusual. The solar system does not end at Neptune. It stretches much farther, all the way to the Oort Cloud, which is a giant shell of icy debris that can extend almost 1 light-year into space. If a black hole entered our system from interstellar space, the first effects would be seen here. Comets that have been moving in the same orbit for billions of years would suddenly start changing direction. Some would be pushed inward. Some would be thrown outward. Astronomers would try to work backward and understand that such chaos cannot happen on its own. Something massive must be pulling from somewhere. If the black hole kept moving forward, Neptune and Uranus would be affected next. They are so far from the Sun that even a small gravitational disturbance could disrupt their orbits. Depending on the distance and the mass, their orbits could stretch, tilt, or become completely unstable. In the worst case, these planets could be thrown out of the solar system and become rogue planets, drifting through space without any star to orbit. And the most unsettling part is this: it would not happen in one night. It would happen slowly, over months or years, without stopping. Now let us talk about what damage this would cause to Earth. A black hole does not need to come very close to affect Earth. An object with that much mass can influence things from far away. As it moves deeper into the solar system, it would disturb the orbit of every planet, including Earth. If Earth's orbit changed, it would not be a small shift. It could pull us farther away from the Sun or drag us closer to it. If Earth moved away from the Sun, it would receive less sunlight, and the planet would begin to freeze. If Earth moved closer to the Sun, the intense sunlight would make the planet extremely hot. In both cases, the outcome would be very bad for life. If the black hole came very close to the Sun, things would become even more terrible. As the black hole and the Sun approached each other, tidal disruption would begin. This means the black hole's gravity would pull more strongly on one side of the Sun than the other. The Sun would start stretching and breaking apart into several pieces, and its material would stream outward. That material would form a hot disk around the black hole. This disk would emit intense X-rays, and that would be the moment when the black hole would finally become visible. Not because the black hole itself would shine, but because the material falling into it would burn like fire. It would all depend on the distance. If the black hole passed far enough away, Earth might survive, but its orbit would still be badly disturbed. If it came closer, the gravity could become strong enough to tear our planet apart physically. And if Earth somehow reached the event horizon, there would be no explosion, no big cosmic blast. We would simply disappear from the observable universe. Everything would end silently. There is one small relief in this nightmare. We would likely see it coming well in advance. An object this massive would disturb the Oort Cloud and other outer objects, so astronomers might get warnings years, maybe even decades before it arrived. So it would not be a surprise attack. But one thing is clear: we would not be able to stop it. No rocket can pull a black hole away. Still, we would at least know what was coming. In reality, this is extremely unlikely. Space is unimaginably empty. The nearest known black hole is very far from Earth, and it is not moving toward us. The distances between stars and black holes are so enormous that a black hole entering our solar system is almost impossible. But this thought experiment still teaches us something important about the power of gravity. It is invisible, silent, and yet it can control everything. So the next time you look at the quiet night sky, Remember this, the universe is as beautiful as it is merciless. There are things out there that are so massive and so powerful that they cannot be seen, only felt through their effects, and black holes are one of them. We are lucky to live in a solar system where everything has remained relatively stable so far. But the force of gravity also reminds us that nothing in the universe is safe forever. If this thought made you feel a little uncomfortable, then that was the point of this video, to make you feel the real power of space. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what topic I should cover next. And if you love space, science, and mysterious stories like this, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.